Hi, I'm Neil with Covers and Camo Custom Seat Covers. Today we're checking out the 2017 Ford F-150 Custom Seat Covers. This is the charcoal ostrich insert with a Kryptek raid trim. The ostrich insert's out of a simulated leather, and this raid trim, this Kryptek raid trim, is out of a 600 denier water-resistant material. So, gonna be a nice set of seat covers that we're gonna check out right now. Let's do it. Okay, so here are the seat covers. Kryptek raid trim with a charcoal ostrich insert. Just looked awesome on here. As you can see, that raid trim is going to be the same material used for the middle seating sections. So that's the 20 section there, a lid cover at the top, and then a back 20 section, and then also a bottom 20 section with a 20 section headrest cover. So that's the setup for the 2017 Ford F-150. As you can see, it's just going to fit nice and tight to whatever vehicle that you have and be a great looking set. This one in particular has the 600 denier material on the sides. That's the Kryptek raid material there. And then the charcoal ostrich is a simulated leather, which just gives it a nice, unique look to it. We're going to check out the back seats now. Look great on here as well. 3 headrests at the top up there. Those inserts, that's in the charcoal ostrich. And again with the Kryptek raid trim on it. Seats are going to be able to fold and function appropriately. Cutouts for the functions for the seats there. As you can see, so you can still use that. Fold the seats up and down. Just a great looking set on this 2017 Ford F-150. Thanks again for watching. This has been Neil here with Covers and Camo Custom Seat Covers. See more at coversandcamo.com. Give us a subscribe to see more videos like this. And again, give us a call too if you're getting ready to order your set and you're just wondering maybe what colors to choose. Not sure on that, or wondering how something might fit, and you'd like to see another video or some photos that we have in our photo galleries, we'd be happy to help you with something like that. Again, if you have any questions, feel free to call us at our phone number 435-789-2270, and then we can help you choose a great set just like this for your vehicle. So give us a call, jump online, coversandcamo.com. Thanks.